What's up, beauties, and welcome to today's video. Today we are doing another unboxing. We're going to do it outside. I apologize if the wind's a little strong. For right now it seems like it's not, so we're just going to get right into it. Make sure you do subscribe to this video or to this channel if you like this type of video, and make sure you ring the notification bell so you don't miss out on my future uploads. I'm Manders and this is my channel. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. Today we are doing another Yes Oh Yas unboxing. Now this will be my last month with Yes Oh Yas. I know I keep saying that, but I actually went in and confirmed it and made sure that they will not be sending it to me. I'm just canceling all my sub boxes. If you didn't already know that, I have been successfully doing a no buy June where I only had my subscription boxes, and well, now I'm going to try a no buy July where I don't have any subscription boxes. So I have a budget. I will post a video about that in the future, but for now we're going to open up this bag and see if we got anything good. So it always comes packaged like this. There's never any like difference in the way that it's sent. One time they did charge me like duty fees, so I was a little bit upset about that, but I really haven't had any issues with this subscription. Now some people have. I'm not one of them, so let's see if there's anything good. Alright, so the first thing, oh, it's an angled liner brush. So this is perfect. So this is by Sorme, I think. So that's the bristles right there. It's just a nice angled brush. I am going to put this aside because I have a plan for this brush for sure. There's usually a card. Let's find the card. Alright, so it says, be unique, write your own story. They never give you any prices, but it does say this. It says, the moment you realize you will never pay full price for makeup, your monthly savings is 83% off retail. So that's pretty exciting. I really hope that that's the case. I've got some awesome products in this subscription, and I'm really excited about that. And I'm a little bit sad to cancel it because it's only $20 Canadian. So I find that compared to Ipsy, I maybe don't get as many brand name things, but what I do get is I get more products that I actually use. Sorry, Ipsy. So next thing is, ooh, this is by Dirty Little Secret Cosmetics. I've never even heard of them. This is a baked highlighter in Bellissima. Ooh, that's nice. So I'm really excited. Oh, that looks more like a blush to me. So this is what it looks like. Comes like that. And it's a baked blush. So I'm not actually going to swatch it. That looks a lot more like a it says it's a baked highlight. Actually, let's swatch it. Sometimes, let's give that a swatch and see how that looks. Okay, so I can totally see how that might be a highlight. Actually, holy smokes. That is freaking crazy. Look at that. I am so excited to try this. That's awesome. So I'm going to set that aside with my little brush. The good thing about subscription boxes for me is I personally use all the products. I try everything in them, and I'm going to tell you if it's good or if it's bad. So that's fun. If you're interested in that kind of video, make sure you stick around because you might like it. Oh, okay. So this is by Kaylin, and it looks like it's a liquid liner. It looks like, oh no, like, yeah, so it's like, that's a liquid liner. That would explain the liquid brush, so, or the liquid liner brush, except, whoa, what's happening right now? Alright, hold on. Oh, there's a brush on the end of this one too. That's pretty cool. So that's awesome. 2 liner brushes in one bag. Who knew? I've never heard of this before, so I will be looking into it a little bit more. It doesn't have like any ingredients or description. That doesn't bother me. I'll still try it. Alright, so I have 2 products left. This is interesting, a mascara. This is by Bella Pierre Cosmetics Volume Lash Waterproof Mascara. Yeah, I really hope this isn't like the last Bella Pierre mascara that I bought, because seriously, it was the worst. Just the worst. And like seriously, like drove me, I think I only wore it once, and I actually decided like I'm never going to use this again. I threw it out. It just is sealed, so I'm very excited to give this a try. You will see this in a first impressions video for sure. Actually probably going to see all of these products in a first impressions video. I'm really excited for that, and holy smokes, what is this? So this is, oh, this is awesome. This is by Moira. This is the Dreamscape Dream Series palette. Look at the packaging. I feel like I'm very mesmerized right now, and it's because I am getting rainbow and unicorn vibes from this. Like, seriously. Is anybody else getting rainbow and unicorn vibes? Because this girl is. So, that's really nice packaging. Now let's see what the shadows look like. Oh! Oh my god. Please, please, please tell me that these are going to work. Oh my goodness. All right. So first of all, I'm going to say something. I am doing this no buy challenge, and I'm doing it with 3 lovely people. Is Hello Amy Cat, Manic Makeup Mama, and Subboxes and Cocktails. And let me tell you, they are awesome. I'm going to link all their channels below. We haven't bought any makeup items except for our sub boxes for the entire month of June. And if you guys follow makeup like I do, you know that Jeffree Star just released his Jawbreaker collection. And I was like, I'm not gonna lie, I was like shaking about the whole thing. I was like, I want it so bad. And then I was like, there are cheaper alternatives. What if I bought something a little bit more affordable? Because I really wanted some bright colors. And they talked me out of it, thank goodness. And I'm really excited for this because these shadows are like kind of what I needed. Like, I needed more blue shades, and I needed more than one green shade. So I'm gonna swatch it. And the most exciting part for me right now is that these are all matte shades. What in the flip? Seriously? I'm not done. So that was in the shade Better Than. This is yours. Okay, let's see. Those are freaking awesome. So you are definitely going to see these in a video. Like, I've never seen an eyeshadow palette from this company before. I do believe I have received other things from them though. In my sub boxes, probably a liquid lipstick. I'm going to do some more research on this company, and I'm going to find out what this is worth. It says it's cruelty free, it's vegan. That's awesome. It comes with this giant mirror, and look at these colors, guys. I cannot tell you enough how excited I am right now, because every single color that I was like, well, I don't have that color, so I can justify buying a different palette, came in this one. So thank you, ladies, for helping me with that anxiety moment where I was like, I need something bright, neon. I really want to up my makeup game, but these are going to do just perfect. So I'm just so excited. I cannot tell you how excited I am for that. I think I just went on for 2 minutes about this eyeshadow palette. So I will definitely be putting this to the test. Probably as soon as I finish this video, I'll go film. So my Moira Dreamscape eyeshadow palette, and then I have the liquid liner pot with the cool brush from Kaylin Cosmetics, I believe. Then we also have from Dirty Little Secret Cosmetics, we have this baked highlight that's it looks pink, but it is sheer and it looks super pretty on my hand. I cannot wait to try that out. I also got this lovely angled liner brush. I'm not taking it out. It doesn't look, oh, there we go. That's what it looks like right there. It is by Orme. And then I also got this Bella Pierre Cosmetics Volume Lash Waterproof Mascara. All in all, for $20, that is worth it to me. This is a subscription that I know they kind of have a bad reputation, but I think that I think that things are getting better, and I'm actually quite happy with some of these products. Now, I will let you know if the products are no good. I have received things in this bag before that I did not like. However, I have received many items that I did like, so I'm really excited about that. Well, I'm going to stop rambling. I've been going on for about 8 minutes now. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. Thanks for hanging out outside with me. I hope it's not too windy, and I will see you in my next video. Make sure you are subscribed. Give this a thumbs up if you like it, and let's just look at these swatches while I say goodbye. Bye, friends.